Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build an inventory app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. You can use your own data from spreadsheets and connect it to various components and actions to build interactive and beautiful apps. Glide also uses AI to power your apps and make them smarter. You can share your apps with anyone using a simple link or a QR code. Glide works on any device and adapts to any screen size. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, creating an inventory app is a straightforward process when using platforms like Glide. To start, navigate to the left menu of your Glide interface and click on the Templates option. This will direct you to your template page, showcasing all your existing templates. To access a broader range of templates, click on the Template Store button. This leads you to the Templates library, a hub filled with diverse templates organized into various categories, all accessible from the left menu. Additionally, if you have a specific template in mind, you can use the search bar to find it directly. Since we're creating an inventory app, type inventory into the search bar. The results will display multiple relevant templates. For this tutorial, we'll select the first inventory template. Clicking on this will take you to another page where you'll see two options on the right side: Create this app and Preview. We'll proceed by clicking on Create this app, which will lead us to the editor for further customization. In the editor, you'll notice a top bar with three options: Data, Layout, and Actions. Each of these holds the key to customizing your inventory app. Clicking the Data option takes you to a section where you can customize the app's data. You'll see tables on the left side where you can modify data related to users, products, categories, and more. The Layout section allows you to tweak the app's layout, including the navigation and product settings. You can also preview the app in both mobile and desktop modes. Finally, in the Actions section, you can create custom workflows by adding actions that combine multiple steps. You can either add a new action by clicking on the Plus New Action button, or use the existing actions provided. Once you're satisfied with the customized app, it's time to publish. To do this, just click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking this gives you multiple options to share your app, including via QR code, link, or inviting users through their email. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments as best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching, and take care.